Okay, everybody, good morning. I don't have a really great signal, so I am going to try to do this for you guys anyway, though. Um, these are the butternut squash rings. I just let them sit in water overnight, and then, okay. Yes, everyone sees you're drinking your milk, sweetheart. Okay. So what I did is I took a whole bunch of Sevian spelt croutons and I crunched them up inside of some spelt flour, and I put some seasoning in here. I did salt and I did sorry my camera guys. I'm just flipping this here like this. So that you can kind of see what's happening here. Let me see. This one's frying up currently. You can see that I'm on a bit of not medium heat, because these things cook quick and you don't want to burn them and you want it to be nice and pretty and golden, unless you're darkening it because you're making the dark seasonings. But other than that, you can. Oh, sorry guys, you can make this pretty golden. I'm one-handing it here. Y'all know I've got my baby back there. But this is how coated it's actually going to be. And I press mine in there like that, because you're working with natural ingredients. So don't be afraid to touch it and make it do what you want it to do. But don't mess with it too much or you're going to get soggy flour, and that's never fun. So I just flipped it around. And see, that's why I said be careful, because you can mess with it too much and it won't stick. There, that part's fixed. Okay, so this one is going to sit here and wait its turn. This one is frying. And the trick to this is the water content, because I did not use aquafaba this time. Actually, I've never used aquafaba doing this. That is an option, I'm sure. You could take these and dip them in aquafaba. And just in case any new people are on here and you don't know what aquafaba is, these are garbanzo beans. They're also called chickpeas. I've put them in here last night to soak. And when they're done soaking, I'm going to boil them for a few hours. The water that I'm going to get after I'm done boiling it, I save that water because that's aquafaba. That's what Sebians use as eggs. That's also what vegans use as eggs. Now, some people say this water right here, when it's done soaking, you can use that water as the aquafaba if you're soaking it in spring water. I never do. I just use the one that's cooked. So that's just my preference, though. So this one is going to go in. And on the second one, we're going to turn up the heat a little bit. Okay. This one I'm going to check a little bit. I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to check it. Really, how you check these is for firmness. If it's still loose, don't flip it. Just let it fry up some more. You want it to be, have firmness to it. So I've got them here, and I'm just going to transfer them over to my tray of water. And I just keep them nice and wet. And, oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. You just keep them nice and wet. This one's got a bit of the ring edge on it that I didn't cut off, but that's okay. When you start working with butternut squash, you'll see what I mean. They have like a little edge. So now I'll take one, and I'm just going to go ahead and get it soaking over here in my flour. Like this. Flour? Whoa, Arietta, you can't be down there, baby girl. Alright, guys, you know how I have the baby, so just bear with me. So I don't like to move it around too much in the beginning. You don't really want to move it around. Because remember, I told you guys it'll get gross. So, and if you guys notice, that's only like a really small bowl of flour. So, you don't need a lot. You don't have to overdo it. Okay. Oh, are we counting over there? Just pat it in. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And just flip and roll. See, I'm rolling mine's in here now. Rolling it, rolling it, rolling it. I'm just gonna stack, you know. You can put a little bit more flour if you need to get your crunchies the way, just, you know, the way you want them to be. It depends on how crunchy you want it to be. So now this one is ready to flip. So we're gonna just go in here like this. And we just gonna flip him around. Oh, we don't want to break him. We don't want to splash. Oh, we splashed, but that's okay. There we go. See? See how he looks, guys? He's a perfect little one there. Look at him. Oh, sorry for the blurry. There we go. There we go. Okay? So this is how you do it. I'm not going to stay for long because baby girl is down here wanting to do what she does. This is down here trying to have some fun. Just a baby. So, and I'm going to get these done because I know she's, you know, she's ready to eat. So, eat, eat, eat. Are you signing eat? You are? You have your back to me because you have an attitude because you're hungry? Come here. You got an attitude because you want to eat? Eat? Okay. Well, mommy's going to finish cooking and we're going to eat. But okay, guys, I wanted to show this to you. I'm glad I got to share this with you this morning. Thank you for visiting me and thank you for being a part of Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen. I will be back later. We're going to cook some more yummy things. And I'm going to show you some more things to do. But until then, I love you guys. God bless you. You know, keep it Sebian, keep it classy. And as always, namaste. And thank you for visiting Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen. And the baby says, amen.